If the plunger does not clear the clog on the first attempt, keep working methodically until the blockage shifts. Start by confirming you are using the right plunger and technique. For toilets, a flange plunger is required because it creates a better seal around the outlet, and you should submerge the rubber cup so it is filled with water before each thrust. Position the plunger vertically and push down gently at first to expel air, then use firm, rhythmic thrusts of about 10 to 15 repetitions, maintaining the seal and letting the suction do the work. If you are not getting movement, add more water to the bowl to ensure the plunger remains fully submerged because trapped air reduces pressure changes. After several cycles, pull sharply on the return stroke to try to break the clog free, and then wait a few seconds for water to drain before flushing. Never force a flush while resistance remains. If repeated plunging for 5 to 10 minutes shows no improvement, switch to a toilet auger by feeding the cable slowly until you feel resistance, then turning the handle clockwise to break up or retrieve the obstruction while protecting the porcelain rim. Use gloves and a removable container for any overflow and sanitize the area when finished to reduce bacteria transfer. Common mistakes start with using the wrong plunger and not forming a proper seal, which wastes effort, so swap to a flange model and ensure a tight seal around the outlet before plunging. People often give up too early, so persist with consistent cycles and add water as needed so suction remains effective. Another issue is aggressive or improper plunging that can cause splashing or damage to the bowl. Use controlled, rhythmic thrusts and keep movements vertical and steady to protect the fixture. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects of any size and helps contractors find job leads within their area. We also host an active discussion community where we and our members share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about home maintenance and problem solving.